Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to do the PowerPoint 2021 Chapter 1 Independent Project 1-6. So the first thing I'm going to do is download the start file and open that and enable editing, and then we'll minimize that for just a second while we download the resources. So once those are downloaded, we're going to go here and double click on that folder and then double click on that to open it. And then we're going to select these three files and we're going to move those to the downloads folder, or copy them to the downloads folder. Then when we go back to the downloads folder, we have our start file and then the original folder that the resources came in and the three resource files in the downloads folder. That way we know where to go to get them. Okay, then we're going to move on to the next step, which is step number 3. We're going to insert a picture and apply a design ideas layout, and then change the theme options. So let me show you how to do that. So we're going to insert the picture from the resources that we downloaded. So we're going to go to the Insert tab, select Pictures, and then from this device, and we want to navigate to our Downloads folder because that's where we're going to find it. And we're looking for this picture right here, the Walk 1-01. And then we're going to click Insert. And if the Design Ideas doesn't open up, we're going to open it. So we're going to click on the Design tab, and then click on the Designer button over here in the upper right-hand corner. And then we're going to select the layout with the picture on the left and a larger area for the title and subtitle. So that's going to be this one. Now, when you open it up, it may not be this one here. Since I've already done this project once, it shows up at the top. So it may be down lower, or if it's not in this list, you may have to click on the See More Design Ideas. But it's going to be this one here, so we're going to select that. And then we're going to close the design pane, or designer pane, design ideas. Now it's called the designer pane. We'll close that. And then we're going to change the theme font to Arial Black Arial. To do that, we're going to the View tab here, and we're going to select the Slide Master. And in this background, or in this section here, we're going to select the fonts, which are the theme fonts. And we're going to scroll down until we find this Arial Black Arial and select that. And then we're on to step number 4. We're going to display, so we can close this master view and display slide 1 and replace the placeholder text with the following text. So on the title, we're going to put pedestrian safety matters. So here we're going to put pedestrian safety matters. And then in the subtitle, we're going to put keeping that New Year's resolution to be more active, like that. Make sure there's no typos in there. And then we're going to select the subtitle placeholder and change the case to capitalize each word. So select that and select the text here. And then when this comes up, we can click on this change case, and we want to capitalize each word. Okay, and then we're going to change the subtitle font size to 24. So we're going to change that to 24 here. And then we're going to move the subtitle placeholder up and click Align Left. We want the text aligned left. So on the Home tab here, click Align Left. Okay, like that. I think that's looking at the instructions to see we're in the ballpark here. Okay, and then we're going to select the title placeholder and click Align Left. And then we're going to increase the title placeholder size on the bottom so all the text displays at 60 points. Okay, it looks like it's already big enough, but we'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we're going to select both placeholders. So select this. We already have this one selected, but I like to always click on the border and then hold the control key down and select the second one. And then we need to go to the Shape Format tab and select Align and click Align Left. So we're aligning the placeholders, not the text. And then that one will move over so they're both lined up on the left-hand side. Okay, now we're on to step number 6. We're going to reuse slides from another presentation. So we're going to open the Reuse Slides pane. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Insert and go down, click on the bottom of the New Slide button there, and then go down and select Reuse Slides. And that'll open up this Reuse Slides pane. And then we're going to browse to find, first we have to browse to find, so we'll need to go to the Downloads folder. We're clicking on this Browse button here, and then we're going to go up to the Downloads folder, and we want to find the Pedestrian Safety 01. So select that and click Open. And then we want to deselect Use Source Format. So that's this button down here, Keep Source Formatting. Make sure that's not selected. And then we're going to insert all 5 of those slides into our presentation. So just click on the first one, and if you click on each one, it just adds them into the presentation. And then we can close that Reuse Slides pane. And then we're going to display slide 2. So over here in our navigation pane, we'll select slide 2 and put your insertion point in front of guard. So let's see right here, and press enter so that that's the last item on the list. And then click on slide 1, and we're going to go to the review tab and check the spelling. And then we're going to fix all of these. So this one, pedestrians, is misspelled. So we'll change it to the suggested one. Aggressive, change it to that one. Change it, change it, change it, change it. And in this one, we need to select cloudy, because cloudy is also a word, but cloudy is the one that we want. So we'll click change and then click OK that it's complete. And we're on to step number 9. So step number 9, we're going to adjust the slide order. So we want to go to the View tab and select the Slide Sorter view. And we want the Pedestrian Safety Matters, the title slide, to be first. We want Take a Walk to be second. We want Respect Your Surroundings to be the third slide. So we need to move that up to where it's the third slide. And then Wear Right Outfits, and then Increase Your Visibility should be before Use Caution. So I think we've got it in the right order now. Take a walk, respect your surroundings, wear right outfits, increase your visibility, and use caution. So we're good. Now, on step 10, we're going to add a footer with the text Pedestrian Safety Matters. So we need to go up to the Insert tab, go to Header and Footer, and then we're going to select the footer option, and we're going to type in Pedestrian Safety Matters, like that. And we want to apply it to all the slides, but we don't want to show it on the title slide. So we're going to click Don't Show on Title Slide and then click Apply to All. And that completes step number 10. Now, step number 11, we're going to display, we need to go back to our normal view. So click on the View tab and go to the normal view. And then we're going to display slide 6 from the slide 6. Okay, so display slide 6. And then from the resources link, we're going to insert the picture Walk 201. So we need to insert and go to Pictures and then this device, and we want the walk 201. This instruction was a little bit misleading, I think, from the resources link. What does that mean? But insert this picture. So click insert, and then we're going to close the design ideas pane if it opens, but it doesn't because we're using PowerPoint 2021 or Office 2021. And then we're going to move the picture to the upper left-hand corner of the slide. And so we're just going to drag it up here. So it's like this. And then we're going to apply for step number 12, we're going to apply the push transition with the from a right effect. So we're going to go to the transitions tab, select the push transition, and we're going to use the effect option from the right. And then we're going to apply it to all the slides. So click the Apply to All button, and then we're going to review it in slideshow view. So we're going to go up here to slideshow and just do it from the beginning, I guess. And then we'll just review that. I don't think you have to do all of them. And then when you're done reviewing, you can hit the escape. And if we're on slide 6, it'll look like this. Okay, then we're going to, for step number 14, we're going to open the properties dialog box and insert the following presentation properties. So to do that, we're going to go to the File, Backstage menu, and click on Info, and that opens up the properties. And then we're going to want to click on this Show All Properties so that we can do all of them. Then for the title, it's going to be Pedestrian Safety Matters, like that. And subject is active lifestyle. And the author is right here. So we're going to enter. And now when we enter this, it's going to say that it can't find it, but that's okay. So Anna, see, it says we couldn't find that, but just keep entering her name, Lorenzo, like that. And then hit enter. And I'll just click outside of that. And then because you typed the whole thing in there, it should say Anna Lorenzo. It just didn't have a picture of her. And then we're going to close the properties dialog box. So to go to do that, all we have to do is go back to I guess we can, all we have to do is go back to the presentation. So click the back button. And then we're going to save and close the presentation. So we're going to save it, and then we'll close it and upload it. So we saved our presentation. Now we're going to go to the top of our assignment to upload our file. And it'll be this one here at the top that we just finished. It'll be in your downloads folder along with those resource files that we moved over there. And then click open. And then when it's done uploading the file, click submit. And we'll wait for our score. Hopefully it'll be 100%. Yes, okay. So hopefully that helped you out. If it did, please click on the subscribe and like button. That would be much appreciated. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.